Good morning, my name's Andrew Hall and I'm a wood turner from Weardale in County Durham. I'm probably best known for turning hats. I've got a small hat here. This is a half size hat. I do them full size, but most of my hats that I turn now are half size or quarter size, like this little one here. This is an ash one that was turned a couple of days ago. That's also a half size hat turned a couple of days ago, and you can see how the bend is created in the bending jig. Another one that I'll turn is the small baby hat. These are popular as well. And I'm also known for turning dicky bow ties, which I always wear a dicky bow tie when I'm demonstrating. Corinthian helmets, similar to this one here. And here's a one that's been turned out of a piece of olive. And this one has the latest addition to the Corinthian helmet, which is the crest that goes on the top. Again, turned on the lathe and then machined on the bandsaw and sanded up. The helmets and hats are always positioned on a stand. This particular stand, again made from olive, has the signature top hat on there. And also what I'm known for is the blues bowls. This is a full-size blues bowl. This one actually has been featured in the Woodworking and Wood Turning magazine, and it's in 3 parts. So there's the turning part, the actual manufacture part of the turning, and then some accessories to go with it. So that's made out of a piece of tulip wood. And what I'll be demonstrating at Newark this year are the small hats, small helmet and a blues bowl as well. And to demonstrate, what I'll be using is the Coronet Herald Coronet. Now this is the Coronet Herald Coronet, one of the latest additions to the Record family of lathes, and I've actually been using this lathe for quite some time now, and I have 2 or 3 students who've bought these lathes and have been highly satisfied with them. One of them, Harry, a good friend of mine, he's paralysed and can only turn using his left hand. He's paralysed on his right hand side. The 360-degree rotation on the lathe is fabulous for Harry because he can turn it round at 270 degrees and he's able to turn fully with his left hand. But for me, when I use it at Newark, I'm going to have the bed extension on, and the bed extension will allow me to be able to do a full-size blues bowl, because not only will I have enough length to be able to do the neck, I'll also have enough capacity over the bed, 14 inches, 350 millimeters, to do the blues bowl body. So the bowl itself is 300 millimeters by 75 millimeters, so I'll be turning that inboard and then I will be turning the neck between centres. So that's really the work that I'm going to be doing at Newark, using the Record Coronet Herald lathe. I'll also be using the Record SC4 chuck, as well as the camvac extraction facility for when I do my sanding. When I'm doing the hats, there's very little dust involved, so you don't need to use the extractor for the hats because they are turned out of completely wet wood. It's the only way we can get them to bend. But I'm looking forward to seeing you at Newark Show. If you've got any questions about the Herald or the SC4 or the camvac systems, ask me, because I have them in my own workshop at home, which I use for training. I have the large camvacs in my own workshop at home feeding me 4 lathes, and a smaller camvac feeding a singular lathe. So look forward to seeing you at Newark. Keep making shavings and we'll see you there. Thanks very much.